Welcome here to the Pan American Seed Coleus kitchen, where we have a full cabinet of Coleus offerings at Pan American Seed with series like Wizard, Kong Jr., and what we're featuring here today is the Premium Sun Coleus collection. Now, Premium Sun Coleus handles both sun and shade applications, landscape and container performance. It was selected for premium garden performance, premium seed quality, as well as late flowering. We are continuing to spice things up in the Premium Sun Coleus collection with the newest edition, Sweet Paprika. Yes, that's the newest edition here, featuring this rich, velvety red color as a mounded, kind of medium-sized habit in the garden, and happens to be one of the latest flowering varieties in the collection. Hopefully we can help you be successful with our Premium Sun Coleus collection through this organizational chart that organizes our Coleus varieties by vigor, habit, and flowering to give you an idea of their differences. It also helps us in how we utilize these plants in containers and in the garden. You can see some combos here that feature our different Premium Sun Coleus. Check out our full assortment of Coleus at our website today.